Another simple recipe with lots of fruits, less sugar, and a nice recipe. I'm going to show you how to do strawberry panna cotta jelly cake. For this recipe I'm using 300 grams fresh strawberries with 1 lemon, 50 grams sugar. You can always add more sugar in your recipes. I'm always adding less sugar. And 7 grams Agar Agar or Agar Agar powder, or instead you can use 7 grams instant gelatin powder, and 200 milliliters cold water. So add the cold water into a small pot. Meanwhile, add the Agar Agar powder into the sugar. So mix the sugar and Agar Agar very well. And after, I'm going to bring this to boil. While the water is on the stove, I'm going to cut the strawberries, and I am using this ring 15 centimeter, or you have to use a 15 centimeter cake pan. This pan is 23 centimeters, so I'm putting the ring inside and going to use this ring for the cake. Now add the strawberries. If you want, you can add the strawberries in this way, then it creates a design like this. Now cut the rest of the strawberries and fill the pan. When you buy strawberries, try buying the small ones than the giant strawberries. They taste better and it's sweeter and looks nicer too when you make a dessert. Now press a little bit using your fingers or a spoon so it packs nicely. When the water starts boiling, reduce the heat. Then using a whisk, mix it with sugar and Agar Agar powder. Don't add at once, add bit by bit, so it dissolves quickly and nicely. While stirring, boil about 2 to 3 minutes. After, squeeze the lemon into it. Always the lemon to your taste, you can add more or less. Once it dissolves nicely, take it out from the stove. Now into the ring with the strawberries, pour the Agar Agar on top. Now using a tip of a knife, just make sure that it goes inside. Once this cools down, put it in the fridge for a while. Now let's do the next part of the recipe. For that, I'm using 100 milliliters milk with 200 milliliters whipping cream. If you are a vegan or a vegetarian, you can always omit the milk and use almond milk, rice milk or oats milk instead. And 6 grams Agar Agar powder, 50 grams sugar. You can add less or more sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's start. Just like the other part, add the Agar Agar powder into the sugar and mix it with sugar. This way it is not getting lumpy and easy to dissolve. And after, add vanilla. And so I have 100 milliliters milk, so I'm adding 200 milliliters more whipping cream. Going to bring this to boil the same as before. Put that into a pot. Mix well. Now going to put it on the stove and boil. Once the milk starts boiling, add the sugar and the Agar Agar powder into it. and mix it well. When you are using the Agar Agar, make sure that you read the packet instructions before. It depends from brand to brand. Once the sugar dissolves, take it out. When you are working with Agar Agar, the advantage is it sets quickly. Now I'm going to pour this on top and leave it to set again. So the jelly is ready and I'm going to take the rim out. Slowly invert the cake onto a plate. So this is the strawberry and panna cotta cake that we made, and if you look at the sides, it's the panna cotta layer and the strawberry layer. Actually you don't need to decorate with strawberries on top, but you can put a little bit of mint or any other herb on top and some strawberries on the side. So pack some more fresh strawberries on the side and I'll cut and show you how it looks like. It's a really simple and easy dessert to do in half an hour, and hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.